have I got myself into?
Hopefully I won't run into anything too stressful.
Oh, what have I got myself into? I don't know why I agreed to this in the first place. My dad was the wrestler, not me. But I don't want to disappoint the crowd by backing out now. Still, it won't be much of a match without my wrestling partner, and it looks like they're a no-show. I mean, unless it's you. I don't like to jump to conclusions, but you don't look like much of a wrestler to me. But maybe you prove me wrong, eh? What do you say, Yesay? You want to go around? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Time to get this party started.
Sorry about the delay, folks. Apparently one of our contestants had a little trouble finding the place. Or maybe some last-minute nerves, who can say? Anyway, in the red corner, we have the Masathalai from Mexico, Aracnido Jr. And in the blue corner, we have who's that again? Who cares? Wrestler, the wrestler! Yeah. And in the yellow corner, yes, there's a yellow corner, we have a whole bunch of scorpions!
Wait, what? Nobody said anything about...
Fight!
Huh. Well, this doesn't seem like a fair fight. Let's just team up and focus on the scorpions for now.
And it looks like Aracnido and Russell have made a beeline for the scorpions. Or should that be a scorpion line?
How you doing over there? The crowd seems to be enjoying themselves. Well, I hope the folks watching at home are enjoying it. Wait, this isn't getting live streamed at all, is it? Oh, when I get my hands on that guy, how many of these things are there?
Our dynamic duo are making short work of those scorpions. But there are more where that came. Oh! Those scorpions are scorpigons! Okay, I'm getting word that these may actually be the last of our scorpions, which is my cue to leave. I don't want to be around when those two get out of the ring.
Lousy? Oh, forget him. Let's just finish up here. I think we got them all. Nice work, amigo. It's just a shame that scorpion guy got away. Story of my life, I guess. I gotta say, though, I think you and I make a pretty good team. Let me know if you want to buddy up again sometime.
Like shiny thing. I must protect my people in this strange new world.
Oh, that just makes me feel so calm and serene. Calm and serene.
getting a bit cramped in there. It doesn't help that they stuffed this thing in with me. Why don't you take it?
Interesting specimen. Shame, I've probably got about 1 million of these at home.
Sure is nice being out of that sarcophagus. Woohoo! Feels good to stretch the old bandages. Thanks again.
A most valuable item. I should take great care of it.
Aw, you came to see your best pal in the whole world, Gwenpool. Gonna jazz things up with a new extra?
The hand!
Not sure who's behind it this time, but there's more trouble on your doorstep. Go get him.
Not rescue them alone, but who would aid me? cannot rescue them alone. But who would pray, friend, hear my plight? The great frog king Glugwort and his people have been taken captive by the most fearsome rat of all, Ratso. Thou might scoff, but I assure ye that Ratso and his army are not to be trifled with, or any other kind of puddinged with. Thou must aid me in rescuing the frog folk. As but a single frog, I fear mine chances of success alone are as good as naught. What say ye? Well met. Then follow me. Onward! Hark! Our quarry lies ahead. We shall dispatch these reprehensible rodents in the blink of an eye. Ha-ha! Thou fights with the warrior's heart. What madness is this? For a moment I thought I had throat. Worry not, citizen, for the threat has been quelled. Hop home swiftly. I gather thou dost not hear the language of frogs, but know that he was grateful for our help. Now, let us press on. More rats. Let us take the fight to them. With thy aid, we shall surely emerge victorious. Those rodents hold thou no more. Return to thy dwelling, post haste. Yes, I shall relay the message. She wished me to pass on her gratitude, and that she is fond of thy sick style, whatever that means. Shall we proceed?
At the end of the day, you get nothing for nothing.
Together, we shall defeat these beasts. Now is our moment. We strike! The enemy's hand has been stayed. Thou art free to go. Not even a thank ye from that one. No matter, our work is not yet done.
I'm gonna need help getting this new forge to work. Are you the new assistant? Then get to it! For this armor, I need gold, shiny gems, and some wool. Oh, I hope you understand these newfangled forges. I've no idea what this electro-catty thing it needs is. Don't I feel stupid when those fancy Nueva York fellas come gallivanting in with their magic tools? Nice cutting! We'll make a smith of you yet! Thanks. That poor fellow was in dire need of shearing. Nice work! Now we need to turn up the heat and combine those elements. I think that means putting some of that electro-catty in that doodad there. This forge came from that floating city, Avalon or something. Chap who sold it to me said it allowed even the worst. That looks about right to me, I think. You've done this before, haven't you? Perfect. Armor fit for a king. You'll be wanting paying for all your work, eh? Well, here you go.
Must find bad people. Scare them away.
By Odin's beard, ye shall feel the thunder of mine hammer. Nefarious creatures, free my companion or face the consequences. The danger has passed. Is thou able to find thine own way home? I used to attend school with her, though she did not seem to recall me, and after countless occasions of lending her mine eraser. Hark! That is the dreaded Rat, Ratso, and holds the king as his prisoner. Deplorable rodents! Feel the wrath of Frogilner. Have at thee, foul creature! Curse ye, Ratso! Thou shalt pay for this insult to our great king! My noble king, we have banished the rats. Thou art free. Well, I am humbled by your kind words, my liege. I would tell you what he said, but I fear the human tongue would not do it justice. Apologies. Well fought. With Ratso and his army driven from this land, King Glugwort and the rest of mine frog brethren are safe once more. Well, as safe as a frog can be in this strange place. We must still contend with one of Frogkind's greatest enemies, the one they call Lawnmower. But that is for another time. We must celebrate this victory, which would surely have eluded me had it not been for thy help. Thank you, friend. In return, I shall lend you the aid of Frogilner whenever you have need.